Hi. So your the comment liker bot is ready. Before that, to use the comment liker bot, here you can see this is the comment liker bot, and here you need to put the links, and the bot will check these links for the comment. Okay. So in the previous bot, the comment deployer bot, in that bot there is a new function that I have added. So when you run this bot, now it will create another file here, a text file, and in that text file it will add all the links that the bot has commented on. Okay. And then you just need to copy those links from there, and then when you want to run the comment liker bot, then just put those links here in the text file, and save it, and then run the bot. So for now I have just added a link here. Maybe that was from this video, because I was working with this one, but let's just add a different one. Let's just take this one. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to copy the user ID or user link, what you say. So you need to find that what's the user ID or user links of your account that you have used to deploy the comments. So just say that this was my comment. Okay. Let's go a little bit further. Just say that this was our comment. Okay. So let's just copy the username from here, and then if we go back to our bot, and in this accounts.xlsx file you need to put all your accounts, and those accounts will be used to like the comments. And there's the status means if any of the accounts failed to log in, then there things will be written that the account is blocked. And if you want to work with that account, then you just need to remove the blocked written here, and then save it. So now after you need to put here the link, and let's just copy the video links. But when you run the main bot, the comment deployer bot, you will get all the links in a text file. You just need to copy all the links from there and paste it in this file, and then just save it. Okay. And then let's just copy the username again. Let's just copy this. So okay, so I have done this just to copy it properly. Make sure that there is no space before and after this, and then take it, and let's run our bot. And when you run the bot for the first time, this type of interface may come up. So just click on more info and then run anyway. So now we need to put the target user, and this is the target user. So the bot will go through all the comment links, and it will always search for this person, and if it finds this person, it will like the comment. So now the bot is running, and at first it will log into the account. So it has logged into the account. Now it is visiting YouTube, and then it will go to the video link. So it has visited the video now, and now it will look for the comment. As you can see, it is looking for the comment. and as you can see, it has liked the comment. But as we have only one comment and one account, so it has just done with this, and it has just printed all the usernames to actually check it out. But I will disable this thing because it is kind of annoying. Okay, so this is it, and how this works. And when you are done with all the working, then you can just press enter and the bot will close. Okay, so this is it and how it works. And if you have multiple accounts and multiple links, then it will just log into all of those one by one, and going to all of those links, it will like those comments. And if you have any confusion, or if you have anything to know, then you can let me know. I will try my best to help you out.